Hello everyone, now I'm with Wurkkos new diving flashlight. It is the DL08 here. This one, in my opinion, it is a very interesting flashlight because it is not good only in the water, but for on land use, I think it's excellent. Okay, because it has spotlight, floodlight, red light, and UV light. Okay, here are the LEDs. Okay, for the spotlight, luminous SFT 40 6000K, and for the high CRI light, there are 4 LEDs here. TN 35 5000K and CRI 90, and UV light. Okay, 365 nm. Okay, and red light XG 660 nm. Okay, this flashlight also has temperature control and low voltage warning. For the waterproof IPX8, it can be used underwater for 100 meters. Okay, and for charging, USB-C here is hidden. Okay, you have to remove the tube like this, and then you will see the USB-C port here. Okay, when you plug in USB-C, you will see the indicator light here. Okay, when it is charging, the green light will blink, and when it is fully charged, the green light will stop blinking. Okay, battery inside 21700, battery 5000 milliamp. Okay, in my opinion, I like this flashlight because I get everything in here. The spotlight, in my opinion, if possible, it would be great if it used SFT 45000K, and if possible, one thing, okay, if there's another mode that you can use spotlight and floodlight at the same time, that would be great. Okay, but here it is very good. Okay, you get rotary switch to select the types of light, and then the middle switch here to turn on and turn off. Okay, let's have a look at Lumen's information here. Okay, I don't have a manual, I have to print it out. For the spotlight, for the max lumen 200 lumens, high 900 lumens, medium 350 lumens, and low 100 lumens. And it also comes with smooth ramping mode. Okay, you can also, if you use smooth ramping mode, you can go down to 1 lumen. Okay, for the floodlight, here 3600 lumens max for the turbo. Okay, for the turbo mode of spotlight and floodlight, it lasts about 1 minute and 30 seconds, something like that, and then it will step down to about high. High also step down if the flashlight gets hot. Okay, it step down to, I think still it's still brighter than medium. Okay, and red light here, and also okay about UV light. Okay, you can have a look at this. Okay, for the max throw 274 meters for the spotlight. Okay, and for the floodlights about 90 meters here. And this is the run time. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, to use this flashlight, here is the power switch. Okay, you can turn on, turn off by pressing this brown button, and to select the types of light, just use rotary switch. Okay, I will start with spotlight first. Okay, here, turn on, one click to turn on. Okay, it will turn on the last memorized brightness. Okay, one click to turn off. When it is on, press and hold to adjust brightness. Oh, now I'm at a smooth ramping mode. Okay, here, this is very good. Okay, smooth ramping, ramping up, ramping down. Okay, if you want to go back to step ramping, just 4 clicks from on. 1 2 3 4 here. Okay, now you can use step ramping. Okay, the flashlight has memory function. Okay, that's it. No flash mode, no strobe. Okay, to go to another type of light, floodlight, just rotate the switch here. Here, this is floodlight, and red light, and UV light here. Okay, this is very good. Okay, and very simple to use. You get everything in this flashlight. This is what I like. Okay, smooth ramping, step ramping, and also 4 types of light. Okay, this is very useful. Okay, let's walk around and see some beam shots. Okay, everyone, now I'm with Wurkkos DL08. This is the spotlight low mode. Okay, low mode. Low mode is good enough for walking around. I can still see the basketball goal at the other side there. Okay, and that is the house. Okay, no problem at all for the low mode. Okay, let's go to medium. Okay, this is medium. Okay, medium is good if you want to walk around in the forest. Okay, medium is fine. Okay, For the spotlight, there seems to be one ring here around the hotspot. Okay. Okay, this is medium. Let's go to high. Okay, high here. Turbo will step down to about this level. Okay. I have tried turbo on land. It lasts about almost 2 minutes, and then it stepped down to this brightness about high. And I tried turbo in the water too. It lasts about 5 minutes, and then it stepped down to about high. Okay, this is high mode. Okay, here, this is high mode. Actually, in the water, it is not hot at all, but it still stepped down to about high. Okay, let's go to turbo. This is turbo. Okay, very bright. You see that? Wow. Okay, big hot spot here, but there's some ring in the around the hot spot. Okay, it would be great if the beam is quite clear, no ring in the middle. Okay, but not too ugly. Okay, and here this is okay. This is turbo at the basketball goal. Okay, the beam can cover the area quite well. Now it's getting hot, okay, and I think it's stepping down. It gradually stepped down. Okay, here it stepped down, okay, to about, I think about high. Okay, high here. Okay, let me turn off and turn on again so you can see the difference. Turn off and then turn on again. You see that? This is the difference. Okay. Okay, let's go to floodlight. Here is the floodlight turbo. Okay, very good beam. The beam can cover big area like the basketball court here. Very good. You see that? Wow. I really love floodlight. Actually, for the floodlight, it also stepped down. Okay. This is level 1. Okay. I can say that level 1 of the floodlight, you can use it for walking around the forest, but level 2, okay, medium is better. Okay, and medium is not too hot. Okay, here, no problem at all. Okay, and this is high. Okay, high, floodlight high. Wow, very good. Okay, here I can see the house there, but not quite clear. Okay, but if you walk around, you can see things about 10 to 20 meters quite well. Okay, and this is turbo. Wow, see that? Very good. Okay. Okay, let's go to red light here. This is red light high mode. Okay, red light has no turbo. Okay, here. Okay. The beam can go quite. The beam can reach the basketball goal there, but not quite clear for the red light. Okay. And UV light here. Okay, but I don't have any white object to show you, okay, around here. But it's overall it's a very versatile flashlight. Okay. Okay, let's go back to here. Okay, spotlight. This is spotlight turbo. Okay, overall, I love this flashlight. I think it's quite versatile. Okay, things for improvement maybe about the spotlight. It should be SFT 45,000K. Okay, it would be great, and if possible, to get rid of the ring in the ring around the hotspot here would be great. Okay. And if possible, the sustained brightness at the high mode would be great. Okay, here I think it may go to lower than high if it gets very hot. Okay, but if you use it in the water, no problem. If you use it on land, you may have heat problem. Okay, but it's not too hot to hold. Okay, overall I love it. It's good. Okay. Very versatile diving flashlight. I hope you will enjoy my review. Thanks for watching.